Here, friends, today we're going to draw kids sledding.
Yeah, it's going to be way fun. Now, before we do that, we need to tell all of our art friends that participated in last week's challenge that they did an awesome job. Do you want to tell them?
You did a good job.
Yeah, you did. And we loved looking at all of your amazing art. Did you remember what the challenge was? It was the Nintendo Switch. And what did we challenge them to draw?
Their favorite game on it.
Yeah, your favorite game inside the Switch. I really like the ones that they cut out so it looked like they were actually playing the game.
Yeah.
All of you did such a great job. Now be sure to pay attention during this lesson because we're going to announce some lucky art friends and we're going to give them $20 to...
Buy more art supplies.
Yeah, buy more art supplies. Now they're just going to pop up during the lesson. What's the noise going to be?
Woo-doo-woo-doo-doo.
Okay, that's perfect. So be sure to keep an eye out for the lucky art friends. Okay, what do they need for this lesson?
A marker, some paper, and something to color with.
All right, let's get started. Let's first start by drawing our sledding kids' eyes. We're going to draw, this time I'm going to draw two ovals. And I'm going to draw them kind of far apart so we can draw a scary face in the middle. Well, a scared face. There you go. One over there. Yes. Now on the top of each oval, let's draw a small circle for the highlight. And then let's color in the bottom. Now let's draw another oval around each eye. Now when I do this, I'm going to draw it so it looks a little cross-eyed. So I drew it so that the oval was touching on the inside. Yeah, cool. Now on this one, we're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to do the opposite. So we're going to draw an oval that goes around, but it touches on the inside. Oh, I like how big your eyes are. He's going to look like he's really scared going down the slope. Okay, now let's draw his mouth. We're going to draw an oval right in between his eyes. And this is because he's screaming. He's going to be really scared. Now I'm going to draw teeth at the top and also the bottom. And then we can draw a tongue in the middle. Yeah, let's color in that top shape.
Woo-doo-woo-doo-doo.
Now let's draw his chin. We're going to start over here next to his eye, and I'm going to draw a shape that comes under and then back up on the other side. Little U shape. Then let's draw his hat. I'm going to draw a line that connects the left side over to the right side. And I went past the U shape on each side so that his hat is hanging over his ears. So you can connect right there and then have a little piece that comes out past. Yeah, there you go. Now let's draw his ears. I'm going to draw a little curve on each side coming out underneath the hat. Now let's draw the fluffy part around the bottom of his hat. I'm going to start on his ear and draw a curve that comes up on each side. Yeah, one on the other side. Then we're going to connect these two lines with a curve going up and then back down, and it matches that first bottom line. All right, now we could draw the top of his hat. We're going to draw a curve that comes up and back down. Then let's draw the little pom-pom on top of his hat. I'm going to draw a circle, but I'm also going to add zigzags so it looks fluffy. There you go. I like all those zigzags. It looks really fluffy. I'm going to add stripes to his hat. Now each of these, I'm going to draw two curves, and they each match the bottom of his hat. Yeah. All right, we did it. We finished his face and his hat, and I especially love your face. He looks super scared. Now let's draw his scarf. I'm going to start right here. I'm going to draw a curve that comes down, around, and then connect back to his chin. That's going around his neck. Yeah, now let's draw the scarf flying in the wind. So I'm going to draw a wavy line that goes up. Then we can draw another one that matches the first one we drew. Keep going. Then connect at the top. Now let's draw another one right next to it so that there's two pieces to the scarf. This one I'm going to draw a little shorter. Then you can draw a line to connect it in. You can draw little things hanging off of the end of his scarf. What should we draw next?
His body.
His body. Okay, I'm going to draw 2 lines coming out.
Woo-doo-woo-doo-doo.
Yeah, and then another one. And then right in between, let's draw an A shape. Okay, now we're going to draw his feet kind of sticking up. So we're going to draw an oval. Well, let's first draw an upside down U on each side. These are his toes sticking straight up. Yep, and then another one. Then we're going to draw a U shape to complete it and turn it into an oval. That's the bottom of his shoes. Now we can let's draw a smaller oval inside of that first one. And I'm going to do it on both sides. Yeah, and then one on the other side. Now let's draw the bottom of his shoes. We can draw lines going across. I'm just going to draw 3 lines going across that small oval. And then 3 on the other side. He looks really cool. What are we missing?
His arms.
Yeah, let's draw his arms. I'm going to draw 2 lines that come out from the side. And then at the very top, let's draw a curve to connect them. Then let's also add the line for his wrist. And then we can also draw a really small oval for his thumb. Let's do the same thing on the other side. 2 lines right next to each other. And then curve to draw the top of his mitten. And then a line for his wrist. And a little U for his thumb. Let's also draw a line for his waist. He looks like he's falling from the sky. What is he missing?
His sled.
Yeah, he's sled. Let's draw a line up here next to his face. Now yours could be right here in between his scarf and his arm. I'm going to do this on both sides. Yeah, now we're going to imagine that going through his arm and coming out the bottom, and it's going to end where his feet are. I'm going to do the same thing over here.
Woo-doo-woo-doo-doo.
Now, in between these 2 lines, let's draw the front of our sled. Now, I'm just going to draw a curved line to connect them. This sled is an old-fashioned sled that's made out of wood. So let's draw a line right down the middle of our sled. Now, let's split each side. We're going to draw another line straight down right in the middle. And also over here on this side. Now we're going to split each of these one more time. So watch this. Here we go. We're going to split right down the middle. Yep, and that one. And then also we can split down the middle on the far side too. All right, now we got the wood slats on our sled. Let's draw the bottom of the sled, the part that makes it go fast, the metal skates. So we're going to draw a hook or J shape. Then we're going to draw a smaller one inside and then connect those 2. Let's do the same thing over here, but flip it so it's going the other direction. So a big J, a small J inside, and then connect it. Awesome, we did it, except we need to make him look like he's going even faster. So I'm going to draw some crazy speed lines coming down from the side. Yeah, and then we could do the same thing over here. They don't have to look exactly like mine. We can also add little circles so it looks like there's snow flying up in the air.
Woo-doo-woo-doo-doo.
One more. All right, we did it. We finished drawing our kid sledding. He looks really cool. Oh, let's add some hair. Now, you guys at home could use your own creativity to change your drawings any way you want. I'm just going to draw zigzag lines for hair sticking out. Oh, you're drawing lots of zigzags. It looks really cool. All right, now we're done. What do we still need to do, though?
Color it.
Yeah, let's color it. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring, or you can color your drawing any way you want.
Yeah.
You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Austin, you did a great job on coloring your kid sledding. He looks really cool. Yours is definitely my favorite, especially with that face. And what else could our art friends add to this lesson?
Another girl sledding.
Oh, that would be really cool. Or even a kid making a snowball, gonna throw it at him.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your kid sledding.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. I'm sure your drawings turned out super awesome. And we also want to congratulate all of the lucky art friends that were spotlighted during this lesson. Now, parents, if your child was picked, be sure to private message us on Instagram or Facebook and let us know what your email address is
So we can send them their gift cards, right?
Yeah.
So they can buy more.
Art supplies.
Yeah, more art supplies. We can't wait to send it to you. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.
Bye.